Good morning, just a quick little video today detailing a modification which I've been working on recently for my Yamaha MT07. Outwardly I don't recommend people do this, as if you have to get these made at an engineering company it could be quite expensive, which defeats the object, but I thought I'd do a little video just detailing the dimensions and things in case anybody is interested. Now, I don't actually claim that this is my idea. I got this idea from a fellow MT07 owner from the States, watching one of his videos, and it's just using these 54mm skateboard wheels as the actual slider. And I just made some bases up from some scrap aluminium which I found, so I haven't actually paid for the metal, and I'm very fortunate that I didn't have to pay anybody to turn them on the lathe either. But if you're competent with and have access to a lathe, or you know somebody that is, then this could be a cheaper option for you. So starting off with the fork sliders, at the front I actually bought a piece of 10mm mild steel round bar off of eBay, which has been pre-cut to 350mm, and on one end turned it down to 8mm. For some reason Yamaha, one end of the wheel spindle is smaller than the other ends. I don't know why they've done that, but it is. So you do have to turn it down to 8mm in order for it to fit through. I've gone 120mm in total here, and tapped it to suit, and on the other end I've tapped it just so I can get a nylock nut on the end there. I'll be using nylock nuts for these, and the frame sliders I've had to buy some special bolts for. I'll put a link in the description actually, because I had a dreadful time finding these, because again the problem I had was you can get a standard size bolt in a 1.7mm pitch, but the standard bolt is 1.25, very fine thread, so you have to pay a close attention to that. But I actually got those from a company called Fixable, who are based in the UK, and as I say, I'll put a link in the description for that. So yeah, starting off with the fork sliders, I like to call these cotton reels. It's 40mm circumference, and I think, looking at it side on, is 42mm in total length. This part is 20mm, followed by 12mm, followed by 10mm, and this part here is 21mm and 12mm with a 10mm hole. On this one you can see I've actually had to grind a rebate into it. The main reason being, I'll just show you on the bike, is if you look at it from the front, you can see that the wheel spindle protrudes slightly, so I've just ground, I think I've gone down about 5mm there, a little rebate, not very neatly, I know. I don't have access to a CNC, so I had to do it with a Dremel. And that's it, so we're ready to go on those. So join me in a second, give me a second and I'll fit it.